How to log in to your Paycom account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log in to your Paycom account. So what you can do is simply search, open your browser, any of your browser on your computer, and simply search in for paycom.com on your website. So let me just do that. Once you search in for Paycom login, simply click on the first link, which will automatically take you to your Paycom login account login option. From over here, you can hover your mouse just like this, and you can either log into your client if you are a client, or you can also log into your employee account or your accountant account. So simply select one of your required one, and once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where you can easily log into your account using your username, password, and your 4 digit of SSN or PIN code. And just like that, you will have successfully signed into your first paycom.com account. So that is it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.